From the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, we are Trusting.
What a shame, could